So this is Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego? Does everybody remember this? When Sid and them made this is what you should know. They had zero intention of building an educational game. Zero. But what they did is they decided the medium in which we will build this around is the countries and our planet. And what we'll do is we'll have them go from capital to capital. And then all of a sudden, kids started learning geography from this. Was that the goal or the vision for them? No. They were trying to find a compelling way of hiding Carmen Sandiego from you. That's what they were aiming to do. So we're all spending a crap load of money on games and edutainment games for kids, and we have yet to even come close to the success factor of Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego. Does that mean we're doing it poorly? No. But we're also so ingrained in our learning objectives that we forget what fun is sometimes. And people can smell that crap from a mile away every single time.